Once there was a girl who was internally happy. She was light as a feather, and everyone in town knew her name. One day, her mother gave her a teddy, and it filled her heart with love. A year later, her mother fell ill, and she rushed home to see her. She didn't realize she'd left her teddy at school. Her mother died by the time she got home, and her heart shattered into 1,000 pieces. She would never be happy again. The end.
Guys, should I stop vlogging now?
Anyway, stop with this obsession with vlogging. Your YouTube channel has 2 subscribers. Your mum and your dad. Seriously.
Well,
Guys,
guys.
there was this
What's up?
guinea pig,
Today
and he only had one eye, and guess what?
Abandoned.
He died.
Well, see how it goes.
Guys, I think somebody...
Ew, why does this place reek of coffee?
There's a coffee mug, you idiot.
And there's some Dr. Pepper. I'll take it.
There are books everywhere.
Ooh, glasses. I need these.
Hey, does anyone have a torch?
Yeah, I got my phone.
Couple of the year. Prince Howard and Elizabeth Fox? I can't read that. BFI Prep Yearbook 1966. Wow. What guys? What was that?
Spitting that's creepy. Hi, guys.
Who the hell are you?
This is scary. And I don't wanna think anymore.
Huh?
Look at my head and my heart on the dance floor.
Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm in an abandoned school with some friends. This is Flash.
Shut up, Inigo. What? Why?
He's like that all the time. Ginger.
Hello.
This is Ginger, Flash's little sister.
No.
This is Rex.
I'm actually Bob the 7th.
Bob the Seventh.
Okay. Good guess.
And, well, that's all of us. So, this place is very creepy. The lights have gone out like multiple times and they're still flickering a little bit.
Thing has been moving.
Well,
What?
go. Go.
What?
Go.
What? Wait, where am I? Wait, what? Where is everyone? Hello? 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 Who is there? Hello?
Return my dolly. Return my dolly. Return my dolly.
Have you heard about Katy Perry's new album, Prism?
Yeah.
By the way, so I had a dream last night and it was of the classroom we were just in. Your sister's doll has to be returned because I think she found it in the classroom, didn't she?
Yeah.
We have to return it because apparently it's actually the creepy ghost one. If not, we're all dead.
Creepy ghost?
Just it's like a pale kind of like girl. I like it said something about returning her dolly.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we should just like perform a dance or something and like just return it.
Yeah, you're probably
Yeah.
right.
Also, stop coughing.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
read the writing too messy for me.
Thank you
Yeah.
for my
Maybe I can read it.
Yeah, I think it does say that.
Can I see?
Yeah, can I see next?
Can I see?
Um,
Boy, that's me, not you. It says, thank for my doll.